Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Erica Bell. I'm a professional organizer. So often I share organizing tips, tricks, DIY type stuff, home organizing like projects that you can follow along with me. I also like to share travel tips and just kind of general life stuff, right? Because we're all into more than just one thing. So anyways, today is one of those days that I'm going to share some home organizing with you guys. It's an organizing with me type project. Honestly, it's a project that I'm not that crazy about, but I'm not that crazy about it in the fact that it's not perfect, okay? It's not picture perfect. It wouldn't be one of those projects that I would share, all over social media, these gorgeous like before and after photos. It's not that mind-blowing in that way. But, however, it did make my life easier. It made my things like easier to get to. It made my life, it improved my life, okay? So let that be kind of not really a rule of thumb, but like think about that when you're doing your organizing projects. What do you deem as like a success or a failure with your projects? If it's made your life better, then that is a success. These beautiful pictures don't always have to be our like ideal. Like that doesn't have to be the standard, right? So organizing is all about just like improving your life and calming your chaos, making a more zen space in your mind, in your actual space. So if it accomplishes some of those things, all of those things, then that is a win. So keep that in mind, and I'm like telling myself this as well. Again, even though it wasn't my favorite, there are definitely things in this project, and I'll mention this in the video, that I wouldn't do with clients, but it's like, okay, do as I say, not as I do, right? But it's better. It's better than it was, and that's a win. So follow along with me. This is a project of redoing a cabinet, the cabinet that's like above our coffee maker. So all of our cups, like our mugs, cookbooks, and then it just like started turning into this like hodgepodge. So we also use like we make smoothies every morning. So like those are up there and all their cups. But then it kind of turned into like storage for vases, because those are kind of one of those random thing, like where do you keep them? Actually, let me know, where do you usually store, if you have vases, like from flowers, from arrangements and stuff, where do you usually put them? I'm curious, because some people, you can put them in the garage. This is just where we had the space, right? Or just, that's where they went. And then they kind of got too big for their space. They outgrew their space. So they were just like shoved in there. Again, I'm just human, even though I do organizing for a profession. Hey, life happens, right? So anyways, I was sick of it and I wanted to redo it. So I moved it to another space that was kind of, again, like a catch-all. The space that I moved it to, you'll see, was like under our little breakfast nook, the seat, which is awesome that it has storage. But yeah, all right, follow along. Let me know what you think.
Okay, so this is the space that I was redoing. I slowed down the video a bit so you guys could see. There's the blenders that we use every day. There's mugs, there's coffee, there's the kids' vitamins, there's vases, and then on the very top are cookbooks. So you can just see it's just a mess. It's just a mess. All right, and here is the place that I'm going to move those vases to. And I also need to tidy up this. So I have like tablecloths and then like outdoor serving dishes, and along with like my breastfeeding like pumps and bottles and stuff like that. And I actually don't need those anymore, so that will free up the room for the vases. All right, step one, you already know what it is. Take everything out. Some of this can be kind of I don't know if it's daunting, maybe it's not the right word, but it can be kind of boring maybe. So if you are doing something like this and you are bored, put on a show, put on a movie, put on a podcast, watch some of my other videos. You get the drift. And just get to work. It just makes it a little bit, I guess, more fun. Okay, so you guys can see I also had my Christmas mugs up here. So because I was running out of storage space in our Christmas bins, I decided just to keep the mugs in there, but they were a nuisance. So they were just kind of cluttering everything up. I still am going to keep them in there, but after this, it at least looks better. And then, of course, I wiped down the counters or the cabinets because everything was out of it. And now for the puzzle, kind of putting things back how I like it, how I think they should go, what flows better. And if you're doing this at home, like, it's trial and error, y'all. Like, you're going to try some stuff. You may like it. You may try it and then you hate it. That's kind of part of the fun, and it's okay if you try something. This is what happens a lot with clients and stuff. We'll try something, you live in it, and then you're like, that doesn't work at all. And then you just have to shift. But it's better. It's going to be better than it was. So that is the biggest thing. All right, here's the final product. Again, do I love it? No, but is it better? Heck yeah, it is. It's a lot better, y'all. It's not picture perfect, but it's a lot better. I kept the cookbooks on the top. Do I use them all the time? No, but I do on occasion have people ask me, if I have any resources for things to use as far as like eating vegan and stuff like that. And so they're nice to have to lend people. Okay. This thing would not stay put. So finally I had to get my end table and prop up the top of it so it would stay up. Okay, y'all, there were some gross bugs in some of those cups that I found. I never use those. I don't even drink wine. I don't drink at all anymore. But, I haven't used this outdoor, dining stuff at all. But I'm determined to. I really want to. But I do use the tablecloths that were in there. So I just kind of want to tidy those. And again, clean up. Because it needed it. All right, now to put all the vases in there. Okay. Do I love this system? Again, no, I do not. Because when you put the vases back, you can't really tell the height of them. Luckily, I kind of know what most of them are, how big, small, whatever. But it's not the best. It's not the best visually, for trying to find your things and yeah, but it's better than it was. And I didn't use any new supplies. I'm sure there are plenty of nice gadgets or supplies that I could have used for this stuff, but I just wanted accessibility, ease for these items and to free up some more space. And, I just wasn't trying to get too fancy. I just wanted things to be a little bit better, and that's okay. All right. Random trash that was in here. Oh, incense, sparklers, citronella incense things. Okay, here's the final product. Again, crazy about it? No. Better? Heck yeah. All the outside stuff, the tablecloths in one area, and then the vases in one area. Boom.
So what did you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I want this video to serve as a satisfying video because we all want to watch people organize things. At least I do. You probably do too if you clicked on this. So yeah, I want it just to be a feel-good video, but I also want it to be motivating for you to do your own organizing at your house, right? And again, just a reminder, it does not have to be perfect. if it has improved your life, your family's lives, then that is an organizing win for sure. So let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I look forward to chatting with you guys soon.